Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers of IQRA TV. I hope you are well and you're keeping well. Today, this is a special edition of Real Talk. We are here at the Pakistani Consulate where hundreds of people have joined to celebrate the 71st anniversary of the independence of Pakistan. We've just had the ceremony where the Consul General spoke, as well as the Chief Constable, and there are many people from different walks of life, from different communities. It's a very diverse audience here today who've come together to celebrate this amazing achievement of the 71st anniversary of the independence of Pakistan. There's a real buzz on this occasion, and you will see throughout the program many different people from many different walks of life who especially come here today to join this celebration on the anniversary, the 71st anniversary of Pakistan. People have witnessed some of the videos that have been presented today, the comments from the President and the Prime Minister of Pakistan to congratulate the Pakistani community throughout the world on this occasion. And throughout this program you will see people from, as I say, all walks of life giving their views, their thoughts, their comments on Pakistan and how they are proud Pakistanis living in this country, still being proud Pakistanis, as well as proud British citizens who want to make sure that they celebrate the birth of their mother country. Assalamu alaikum once again. As I said earlier, we have some really interesting celebrities and ordinary people of Pakistan who are gathering this moment outside the Pakistani Consulate in Bradford to celebrate the 71st anniversary of the birth of Pakistan. And as you will know, last week or the week before, I had this gentleman with me, Sarjeel Malik, who is a well-known person in Bradford. He has been very actively involved in the election campaign that Imran Khan so successfully managed to win, and he has been instrumental in making sure that PTI succeeds in the last elections. Sarjeel is here, obviously, is a proud Pakistani, is committed and dedicated to making sure Pakistan has a very bright new future. Sarjeel, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, welcome back, nice to see you again. You're looking absolutely amazing. I wish I had the figure to look like that when I wear something like this. When I wear something like this, log mujhe fakir samajhte hain, so I don't do it. So how do you feel today, this morning?
Well, absolutely delighted. First of all, it's a blessed day, and then it's a blessed month. We have Eid al-Adha coming very soon, next week inshallah. Today is a day that we always remember, would always remember as Pakistanis, that we got our independence, and for 71 years we have managed to survive. And the other thing that we are very delighted about is the new government is here, and hopefully Imran Khan Sahib will be our new Prime Minister. Sure, on the 18th he will take his oath, and we're really looking forward as Pakistanis that Pakistan will see a glorious period in the next 5 years, and I hope that we prosper as one of the best nations in the world. And I would like to, at the same time, to all my Pakistanis brothers and sisters, would like to say Happy Independence Day, and I hope that we all enjoy this day, inshallah, today.
Inshallah, you'll bring Imran Khan here very soon. I see your colors here from Sheffield, all the way from Sheffield to join this celebration.
Assalamu alaikum.
How are your thoughts today?
Oh, it's a wonderful day. We are celebrating. It's a double happiness we are celebrating. One is freedom, Pakistan, and other is our new government. That's the things we want. 22 years we struggle. I pray, I work for PTI, and I think this is the happiest day of my life to see Imran Khan as a president, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Yes, of course. He's going to take the lead. He will govern, and I think it's a time for justice. It's a time for real, pure democracy.
So you feel that the 71st anniversary is a new beginning, a new dawn, hopefully bringing in a better future for Pakistan. So once again, congratulations to both of you, especially you, sir. And inshallah, I'll see you soon one of these days. I have the former Lord Mayor of Bradford, a very proud Pakistani, a very proud Bradfordian, who is also here today. Now, I've been to one or two of these occasions in the past, but I've never seen so many people here on this occasion. The last one was in IQRA, where I raised the UK flag in my capacity as the Deputy Lord Lieutenant. So this today obviously is a very special occasion, and we have people from across West Yorkshire coming. Assalamu alaikum, Huzur, how are you? It's really nice to see you on this wonderful occasion. How it is?
It is a very happy occasion. Obviously, 71 years of freedom for Pakistan. It's a blessed day. It's a very important day in history of Pakistan. As a Pakistani, as a Bradfordian, as you said, as a former Lord Mayor.
And a proud Bradfordian, a very proud former Lord Mayor as well.
Alhamdulillah. And it's a privilege to be here, part of that, what you call the history. And I think, we need to celebrate these occasions, and also for coming youth generations, young people, we need to remind them of the sacrifices our forefathers have made for Pakistan.
Definitely. So again, you like everybody else I've spoken to, see this as a bright new beginning for Pakistan. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Another really important guest today, this morning, to celebrate this wonderful occasion, is a local member of Parliament, Imran, and he was the former deputy leader of the council as well. Sir, how do you feel this morning?
Well, apart from the weather not being 100% with us,
typical British weather.
Of course, it is not typical for August, but of course, I've seen worse than this. But of course, it's a very, I think, joyous occasion today. Members from the Pakistani and Kashmiri communities across West Yorkshire have gathered here today to celebrate Pakistan Independence Day and also to raise the flag here today.
Thank you very much. Obviously, you see this as a new beginning, a new dawn as well for Pakistan, like everybody else I've spoken.
Well, look, I mean, I wish Pakistan the best. I wish Pakistan the best before. I wish Pakistan the best now. Of course, it's not my job as a British Member of Parliament to comment on the political situation in Pakistan, but any democratically elected government has my full support. And of course, I think there are challenges and issues both nationally and internationally for Pakistan. And on those issues, we will always stand shoulder to shoulder with Pakistan.
Thank you. And the links between Pakistan and Bradford are still very strong.
Oh, of course. Well, the links between the United Kingdom and Pakistan are very strong. Pakistan is a great friend of the United Kingdom, and of course, the United Kingdom will continue to support Pakistan.
Friends, I have another wonderful young Pakistani person here this morning with me, who is well known again in this community. She is a daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who I spoke to earlier. She herself is an artist and involved in poetry, etc., and has performed in many fields, occasions in this area. So, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you?
Walaikum salam. I'm feeling very happy, and I just feel like celebrating today.
I'm sure. I mean, it's a wonderful occasion. I haven't seen you for a while, and you're looking with a bright smile on. And I just spoke to your mom and dad as well.
Thank you.
As a Pakistani young person born in this country, proud of being Pakistani, how do you feel today on the 71st anniversary?
Actually, I was born in Pakistan.
Oh, were you? I thought you were born here.
No, I was born in Karachi, very proudly so. I feel very happy and I'm feeling very hopeful, especially as a mother of two very young children. I'm feeling very hopeful about the future of Pakistan, especially with the recent events. I think the complaints that we had with our country, I think those are about to be finished, and I'm just hoping for a very successful and prosperous future for my children, for the country that my children will.
Excellent. So another bright dawn.
Yes.
And as you see, many people are coming through now. So this is a really happy occasion. I've never seen so many people on one of these occasions before. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Congratulations to you as well. Thank you.
My dear friends, once again, as I said, there are many very prominent guests coming today to join this celebration of the 71st anniversary of the founding of Pakistan. and one of the most glamorous people I've seen, of many glamorous people, but probably the most glamorous of all the lot, is the former Lord Mayor of Bradford, Naveed Ikram. Assalamu alaikum, how are you? A proud Pakistani who's very proud of her heritage, has shared her heritage and her proud Pakistani roots with the citizens of Bradford in her capacity as Lord Mayor. Welcome this morning. How do you feel on this wonderful occasion?
Well, thank you. First of all, can I just really thank you for such a well-rounded and such a nice and thoughtful introduction. It's a pleasure to be here with IQRA TV this morning and to share this very auspicious occasion with IQRA TV today. It is the Pakistani Independence Day. For me, when the flag hosting happens and the flag goes up and I hear the national anthem, no doubt at that moment, there's this overwhelming feeling that I just cannot explain how happy, passionate and reflective and thoughtful I feel that, we have been on the road of independence, we have fought for independence, and it's just a very poignant moment for us and to reflect and hope for Pakistan and for the future of Pakistan.
Absolutely fantastic, and obviously you're a very proud Pakistani as well as a very proud Bradfordian. Do you balance between the two, don't you?
I do, and blessed to be a part of the country in the UK, such as Bradford, where there's such a large, a Pakistani, British Pakistani, Kashmiri community, and we just all get together, and there's that enthusiasm, the spirits to celebrate anything that's to do with our culture, our roots, our heritage is very, very prime in a city like Bradford, and I'm very proud to be a dual national, very proud to be a British Pakistani, and I love my homeland, I love my motherland. My homeland, as I say, is England, and my motherland is Pakistan. So very proud to step on and represent both countries.
Excellent. I know you're a wonderful citizen, both of Pakistan and of Bradford, and we are very proud of you. Thank you for joining me, and inshallah I'll have you on one of my programs very soon. Again, I have a really important celebrity with me who's well known throughout West Yorkshire, a councillor in Leeds, former Lord Mayor, somebody who has been very, very proudly representing the Pakistani community in public life in this country as well. Councillor Iqbal Sahab, Assalamu alaikum, how are you, sir?
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm very well, thank you. Nice to see you, Iqbal bhai.
It's been a long time, yeah, how are you keeping?
I know. We are proud of your achievements as well.
Mine are compared to yours. As a proud Pakistan,
a huge responsibility, mashallah. You represent our community all over.
Inshallah, I try and do my best. As a proud Pakistani and a proud citizen of West Yorkshire, especially of Leeds, how do you feel on this wonderful occasion, on the 71st anniversary of the birth of Pakistan?
I feel very proud and privileged to have the ability and opportunity of celebrating 71st independence of Pakistan. I wish all Pakistanis, Pakistan Zindabad, happy Independence Day. Or inshallah after the elections we will see many changes. The promises that the new government to be has made, inshallah we are confident that the government will fulfill them. So we are looking forward for some positive changes in Pakistan, and we, especially overseas Pakistanis, we're more patriotic than anybody else, and even people from there. And we send so much contribution, therefore we are very proud to see changes. We know how the developed countries perform, and it's very saddening when you see the systems and institutes not functioning properly. And now I think the changes are coming, and we look forward
inshallah, to inshallah. Another, like everyone else I've spoken to, everyone sort of really now feels that there's a new dawn and a new beginning, and I'm sure inshallah. You feel so. Okay, inshallah. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
This gentleman, as you know, the viewers of IQRA TV, is the most important representative of the Pakistani government in this country at this moment in time for this part of the world. He has been a guest on our TV program. I'm hoping he's going to come back again very soon, and we had a wonderful opportunity to have a really nice chat to him. Huzur, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is an important occasion, the 71st anniversary of the birth of Pakistan. How do you feel? You got so many people here. I've attended one or two of these events before when I raised the UK flag in my capacity as a Deputy Lord Lieutenant. Today there are so many people. I've never seen so many people here. How do you feel? This is a wonderful occasion, isn't it?
Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. This is our 71st Independence Day, and this day we got independent from the United Kingdom. This day is to remember the sacrifices of our elders because of which we are, breathing in an independent nation. And I would like to wish all my fellow citizens a very happy Independence Day. It is just like Eid for us. And I would urge everyone to shun all their differences and just come together for the betterment of this country. And let's work together to make Pakistan what our Qaid visioned.
Thank you very much. Obviously, the relationship between UK and Pakistan are strong. Do you see that carrying forward as well?
Our bilateral relations are improving, and inshallah in the coming days we will really work hard that this relation goes on and on.
Many people here today. As I said, we've got some amazing celebrities and there are people from all walks of public life. But now I have a dear friend, you viewers of IQRA TV. We had a wonderful opportunity to talk together about issues that both Dee and I and others are confronting on a day-to-day basis. And she came across as a genuine, concerned Chief Constable who has a finger on the pulse. Dee, welcome to this occasion, this celebration of the 71st anniversary of Pakistan. I've been to many of these occasions before. I've never seen so many people at these occasions, Now, is this your first or second time? Or is it probably more than that? I know you were there when we had the walk of Pakistan as well.
Yes. This is the first time, obviously, this is the new consulate office, so this is the first time for the flag hoisting here. I'm absolutely delighted to be here to show solidarity with the community. Bradford is a fantastic place, as we know. It's a brilliant place to live, work and to visit. And actually demonstrating that the whole of the community want to come together to celebrate today, as we want to work together continuously here in Bradford. I just think it's really important to be here.
It's really nice to see you here. It shows your commitment and dedication to being part of the wider community and society. And I know the Consul General, of all the people who are here, he pointed out you to me and says, even the Chief Constable is here, and he's very proud of your being here. Thank you for being here. Huzur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you feeling today on this wonderful occasion?
I think it's a privilege and I'm delighted to be here. This is an occasion that the whole Pakistani throughout the world enjoy and celebrate the freedom of Pakistani. There is no better than freedom, and Pakistan is a great country, there is great potential, and I think all the Pakistanis living abroad need to get together, be united, whatever race, culture they belong to. They are one Pakistani, and as such I think they need to get together trying to promote Pakistan in a better way, in a justice way. And the image of Pakistan out some of the country is very negative. I think these gatherings where there are a lot of people from different race, different culture come together and say that we are one Pakistani and we're here for justice, for peace and unity.
Fantastic, thank you very much.
पाकिस्तान दिल दिल से मिलती है दो प्यार का ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जान पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जान पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जान पाकिस्तान दिल दिल Pakistan, Jan.